Hey, what's up everybody? It's Carl. Finishing up my evening walk. It's friggin' hot here in Central Texas. You can see the sweat. Put in, I don't know, 1.5 miles, about 30 minutes, give or take. But it was stupid hot, like 80 some odd, like 86 degrees, 87 degrees, 86%, 68% humidity. Heat index was 98, and it's quarter to 9. Pretty ridiculous. But I don't know how well you guys can see that. Beautiful, beautiful sunset. Cicadas chirping in the background. Hot, sweaty walk. And I did about 25 minutes of yoga before the walk, so shredding the calories. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside, get cleaned up and have a shave. And I don't know if you guys heard my fantastic neighbors. This apartment complex going downhill. See you all in a little bit. Hey, good evening friends. Carl here, back in the bathroom ready for a shave. You guys saw the hot walk video or the end of the walk. It's miserable hot. I'm still sweating. I've had a cold shower. I just can't stop sweating. It's stupid hot. Got some PAA Cube on, so I look like the Beagle Boys, as Frank would say. And we're gonna just try to have a quick shave. I wanted to give this GW&sons straight razor another run out. Stropped it on stiff webbing. Stropped it on stiff webbing and then leather. It's popping hairs on my arm, so we're gonna give it a run out. I've got 48 hours of growth, and try not to keep you guys too terribly long. Same soap, PAA Col Conk Bay Rum combo. Let's get going. So I hope everybody's doing good. I know it's been some back-to-back videos from me, so no worries there if you don't watch. Not a big deal. I know people got stuff to do. Even Kurt over at Solid Shaves commented on my last video. He's like, hey, I fast forwarded a little bit. I don't know if he was feeling a little guilty or whatever. That's totally cool. I know, you know, especially my videos where I do a head and a face shave, 30 minutes, that's a little long. So I just appreciate you guys watching any portion of it, putting it on in the background, listening to me yammer, leaving comments, whatever, man. It's cool just to interact with everybody out there. This wet shaving community here on YouTube and in most of the Facebook groups. They're just good guys and gals having fun, doing their thing, and sharing shaving experiences, man. So it's cool, and yammering about, you know, shave gear or life or whatever you got going on. No biggie. We're a little thick there still. Add some more water. And I've got my Lord L6 DE as a backup, just in case it's uncomfortable with that straight. Finally had some interaction with the generous benefactor for this razor in the comments, so very nice fella. He seemed very apologetic about not checking the blade on the razor or the hone on the razor before sending it to me. And no big deal. It's just the fact that you sniped me and you gifted me something so awesome. I'm not gonna complain one bit, and if my last video seemed complaining, then I apologize for that. But what else? That's it, man. Just a couple of days at work. Back's been feeling pretty good, so I've been trying to get some exercise in. Like I said, I did a 30-minute walk today for about 1.5 miles. And about 22, 25 minutes of yoga, something like that. So, got the nice menthol kick from the PAA Cube, so that's fantastic. And I'm going to be doing a cold water shave. A little bit better. Oh yeah. A little bit better than the first time as far as tugginess goes, and that's probably just because I have less hair. But it's given a good shave. So it just needs a little more touch-up work, I think. Maybe a run across a pasted strop, or a couple runs over a finishing stone, I think would probably get it to super smooth shaving. But right now this is not, this shave is not uncomfortable at all. Like I said, it's a little tuggy, but it's not uncomfortable by any means. So maybe even just a few more laps on that really stiff linen may do the trick, or webbing. All right, let's see what the other side feels like. About the same. The mustache, the true test, right? Let's do this first. Trim out the goat. I watched a Flash Boredom video yesterday. It was good to see him back on the video. Good for him to check in and let everybody know how he's doing. Flash, if you watch this, my friend, I don't know what exactly you're going through, but thinking about you and praying for you. All right, that's the first pass. I think I'm going to leave it at that. First pass, not bad. Definitely a little more comfortable than it was the other day, but I'm not sure it would be great to run out the rest of the shave with it. So I'm going to switch to my DE and just knock the rest of the shave out. I don't have much to talk about. I just wanted to come on, say hello, and see how that razor fared against a little more traditional or a little more average shave for me. So, wish I had a ton of stuff to talk about. I know it's unusual, right? I don't have anything to really say. Could talk about work, but work is work, and it's hot, it's Texas. I'm sure some folks live where it's a lot hotter. I've got an Indian Wilkinson Sword, Gillette Wilkinson Sword blade in here. I don't know, 4th or 5th use, which is unusual for me because I usually pitch after 3 for DE blades. I didn't watch the video yet, but I saw that Mati's on his 20th shave with that Kismet blade. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous. I got soap left in the brush, might as well use it, right? The PAA menthol is really helping to cool things off, but as you can see from my brow, I'm still sweating like a madman. Or as my mom would say, a whore in church. Yes, Mom's was a rough and tumble lady. I miss her. Last day of work tomorrow, and then I'm off for my normal 3-day stretch, which is nice. Saturday, well, this upcoming Monday is my nephew's birthday. I don't know if I mentioned this. He's turning 15, so we're gonna do a very Texas 15th birthday with him. I'm gonna take him out to the shooting range, me and my uncle, or my brother and my sister. We're all gonna pitch in, take the young man out to the shooting range. I'm going to teach him some gun safety and some shooting techniques, and then we're going to have barbecue at probably a very famous barbecue restaurant here in Texas, a place called Black's. It's been on some of those Food Network TV shows. It's been around forever. Really delicious Texas style barbecue. And on that note, we had a beautiful shave with a beautiful razor. Still needs a little bit of touch up on the blade. I don't know. I'm not willing to put it to the stones myself, but I may do a little more stropping on the leather and the linen just to see if we can't bring it up a little bit. Postpone the trip to the Hohenmeister. But anyway, that's what I got. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you have a great evening. Man, if you live somewhere where it's hot, stay cool out there. Drink plenty of water. I am going to go drink some water, have a protein shake, and maybe an espresso. Yeah, protein shakes. I don't usually drink them, but I'm a little shy on my protein goal today, so keep them around for that. Anyway, I'm out of here. Hope you have a great evening. Thanks for watching. No matter what you do, go spend some time with your friends and family because it's very important. I'll see you next time, either in the kitchen or in the bathroom for a shave. Hope you have a great weekend. And God bless. Good night.